Believe it or not, 1 in 3 American people have prediabetes, and most of them are unaware of it. I have prediabetes, I'm fit, I eat right. I couldn't quite figure out the diagnosis, but I'm here to tell you, it is reversible. Actually, you have 30 days to undo it. Sounds unthinkable, right? Stay around, though. I will guide you exactly through how I achieved it. Allow me to momentarily reverse a little. I was surprised to learn I had prediabetes. I always thought I was healthy, but my lifestyle told a different story. I was glued to my desk, constantly craving sweets and stressed beyond belief. It struck me like several tons of bricks. I understood instantly that something had to change. The first several days were trying. Overhauling my diet and fitness program seemed daunting. My blood sugar levels caused me continual concern, and I really had no idea where to begin. The trick, though, is little regular modifications. I started with my diet, eliminating processed sweets and carbohydrates and piling on nutrient-dense foods. Think leafy greens, healthy fats, lean protein. It was not only about food changes, though. I had to change my whole perspective on eating. I treated my body like a machine, not a temple. Next is exercise. I started with daily 30-minute walks instead of wild exercises. The days passed, and I accumulated more vigorous aerobic and strength training. Though first sluggish, I could feel my energy changing and my thoughts clearing. Here's where it really starts, though. I reach a turning point in the 3rd week. My blood sugar started to steady, my energy was skyrocketing, and I had dropped some weight. I finally understood that this wasn't just about fixing my prediabetes. It was about taking control of my health once and for all. In essence, I changed my diet, started regular exercise, and underwent a significant mental change toward my health. The finest thing is also that it paid off. 30 days later, my blood sugar returned to normal, and I felt better than I had in years. Now, let's hear from you. Have you battled prediabetes, or are you on a personal health journey? Drop your ideas in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this.